Hey, it's Kevin here. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. 5 apps that can put real cash in your pocket, fast. Yeah, you heard that right. Real money, fast. You don't want to miss this because some of these apps are absolute game changers. And here's the kicker. I'm saving the best one for last, so make sure you stick around. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. Have you ever downloaded an app, hoping to make some quick cash only to realize it's just wasting your time? Yeah, me too. But today, that's not happening. I've done the digging, tested these apps myself, and I'm only sharing the ones that actually pay. So, let's jump right in. First up, we have Sweatcoin. Now imagine making money just by walking. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's real. Sweatcoin pays you for every step you take. The app converts your physical activity into digital currency, literally rewarding you for staying active. Here's how it works. You download the app, keep it running while you walk, jog, or even just move around, and watch the coins add up. You can then use those Sweatcoins to get discounts on products, services, or even donate to charity. And here's the cool part. Some users have even cashed out via PayPal or bought gadgets using their coins. But here's the twist. Not every step counts. You need to have your phone on you, and it doesn't track indoor activities as accurately. So, if you're the kind of person who's always on the move, this one's for you. Stay tuned, because the next app I'm about to share can actually pay you more, without breaking a sweat. Alright, next up is Foap. If you've got a smartphone and a decent camera, this one's a goldmine. Foap pays you for your photos and videos. Yep, you heard that right. You take a picture, upload it to the app, and if someone buys it, you make money. Simple as that. Here's the kicker. Big brands and agencies are always looking for authentic, real-life content, and they're willing to pay good money for it. One photo can sell over and over again, bringing in passive income. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $100 per photo, depending on how popular it gets. But wait, there's more. Foap also has missions, where brands specifically request photos on a certain theme, and if your photo gets selected, you can earn big. The competition can be tough, but the payout is worth it. Now imagine this. You're already snapping pics on your phone, right? Why not make some cash from it? And guess what? The next app on the list is just as easy to use, but can actually pay you even faster. Moving on to number 3, PlayVig. This one's for the gamers out there. If you love playing games and wouldn't mind earning some extra cash while doing it, this app is a must. PlayVig pays you to play popular PC games like Fortnite, Overwatch, and more. Here's how it works. You install the PlayVig app, join one of their challenges, and start playing. If you meet the challenge criteria, like scoring a certain number of points or completing a task, you earn coins that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. But here's the plot twist. Not everyone wins. You'll need to put in some skill and effort, but if you're already playing these games, why not get paid for it? Plus, it's way more fun than grinding through surveys or other boring tasks. Now, if you think that's cool, just wait until you hear about the next app. It literally pays you to do something you're already doing every single day, without even thinking about it. Ever wondered if you could make money just by listening to music? Well, meet Current Rewards. This app actually pays you to stream music. You pick your favorite stations, listen to tunes, and earn points that you can later cash out via PayPal, gift cards, or other rewards. But here's the kicker. The more you listen, the more you earn. You can also boost your earnings by completing tasks like watching videos or playing sponsored games. It's pretty straightforward, and if you're already someone who listens to music all day, this one's a no-brainer. Now here's a little tip. Make sure you pick stations that maximize your points per minute. Some channels reward more than others, so don't just settle for your usual playlist. Explore a bit and find those high-earning stations. Before I reveal the final app, which I personally think is the best of them all, let me ask you, how much time do you spend on your phone daily? Because if it's more than an hour, this last app could change how you see your screen time forever. Alright, the final app on our list is Mistplay, and this one's an absolute favorite for anyone who loves mobile gaming. Mistplay actually pays you to play games on your phone. No joke. You just download the app, choose from a list of recommended games, and start playing. The more you play, the more points you earn. Here's why Mistplay stands out. You're not just playing random games. The app personalizes recommendations based on your preferences, so you're likely to find games you actually enjoy. Plus, you can earn points faster by completing in-game achievements or playing consistently. Once you rack up enough points, you can cash out through gift cards to places like Amazon, Google Play, and even Visa prepaid cards. The key here is consistency. The longer you play, the better the rewards. It's perfect if you're already spending time on mobile games anyway. But here's the catch. Mistplay is currently only available on Android. If you're an iPhone user, this one might not work for you. But don't worry. We've got plenty more money-making apps lined up in future videos, so be sure to subscribe for more. Now you might be wondering, why do these apps pay you in the first place? Great question. Companies are always looking for ways to keep users engaged or promote their services. Apps like Sweatcoin and Mistplay incentivize user activity, while others like Foap monetize user-generated content. And when it comes to gaming apps like PlayVig and Mistplay, it's all about keeping players engaged while earning ad revenue or promoting new games. Basically, your time and activity are valuable, and these apps are tapping into that. So there you have it. 5 legit apps that can put real money in your pocket fast. Whether you're walking, playing games, listening to music, or snapping photos, there's something here for everyone. Now I want to know, which one of these apps are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you've used any of them before, share your experience. Your feedback helps others make the best choice too. And hey, if you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick money hacks. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more ways to boost your income without wasting time. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smart, not hard. See you next time.